The tractor is stuck. Well, it's a heavy frost this morning, -5. We're going to try and get it out if possible, but I don't think it will. We found out why we weren't getting any eggs, and we just come in the stable here, and one of them must have been coming in and lying in this bin, which was all covered up. So how we got in, I don't know, but there we got about, I don't know, 16, 20 eggs. Unbelievable. They lie all over the place.
Won't trust me to clean that.
So that beam's got to come out there, yeah. And 2 stables in the back here. Three there, 4 there, and 3 almost finished down the front. That's the 6.
Once it's rendered, it'll look different again.
Bonjour madame. Comment ça va?
You nearly ended up at the tip.
Must have been done anyway. Very cold. -6 last night. See if the chickens have... Well, released them out. See if they've done anything. Oh, they're still in there. Must be cold for the chickens. What you doing, girls? Hey? Girls and boy? You eating? Where's the other one? One missing. Any eggs? See if there's any eggs. No, none this morning yet. It's time. It's time. Gonna appear, is that? Have a look. You never know where there's a line. They lie everywhere. Let's have a look in here. Can you see anything? No. You eating? Good girls. Come on then. Let's go and see what Alan's doing in the barn. And the corner's on.
Warm hands up. It's freezing, isn't it?
Pretty cold. So all his backs out now. So it's all in one. Gives you a better idea of what's happening. All that there. Stables. Alan's down there working. Wow, that's looking good now.
Over the place, isn't there? There's so many of them around. Yeah, that surprised me. Because this country is fantastic for it. They love a bit, ooh, shouldn't have done that.
No difference. Come and I'll do it any better than that. Come and do it.
All the people that do that, they're never the ones that go, well, I can do that for you. Just trying to. Even on, I mean, it's only €5 a length, but it's just been. So it's good to get all the little bits that are left over, will be good for little walls and
yeah.
the pond, getting the pond done.
Yeah.
Be really good for that.
It's a good idea, yeah.
You have to do the top bit.
We done that this morning.
I'm planning on doing the top, the edge, all that today is the plan.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Use it up.
No point wasting it, is there? Yeah, it's starting to go now, which is good.
The rendering begins.
That's easy, that bit, isn't it? You've got two strip on, and you've got 2 bits on the socket.
What's Andy doing?
I think we're trying to start something up. What are you starting up, Andy? Don't know. Be even better. Be even better if they don't take fucking lumps in this bloody cement all the bloody time. Because that's been the stress, and the stress has been the not knowing.
It's just being
The what ifs in it. Yeah. You're like, what are you doing in the first place?
I've got to concentrate on that woman.
Yeah, I don't think you could have asked for a better result than that, really.
No.
As a relief.
Yeah. So is the idea to get it through sort of sooner rather than later now, is it?
Yeah. What's happening there, Anne?
No, I'm good, thanks. So good news then, Joe.
Yeah. Well, hopefully.
Do you know how I look at that? Interest-free loan.
It is?
That means you're I'm working
I just
with
want to get you. that's nice.
Got to fill all the holes in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, get there. It'll get there. This stuff we got from Bloody Brico Pro.
Yeah.
These bloody lumps in it. See, it's where the cement's has gone off a little bit, and it leaves a big white lump in it.
Right, right.
Fucking pain. Love you, Dad. Love you too. See you, mate.
Just be cracking slow.
Get out, you little fucker.